This track behind me is the very track the double Olympic and world champion has been using to put in the hours for the past 2.5 years since her move back here to the University of Pretoria. And despite the Court of Arbitration for Sport's decision to dismiss her appeal, the 28-year-old has not stopped running. In just over a week, she'll take to the streets outside Paris to run a 2,000-meter race before a 3,000-meter appearance in the Prefontaine Classic in California. But while she's competing in her new distances, Semenya's lawyers have filed papers in the Swiss Federal Court to set aside the CAS ruling based on a fundamental human rights issue. Through a statement on Wednesday, Semenya said she was a world-class athlete and the IAAF will not drug her or stop her from being who she is. Strong words from the track star, who has acquired the services of lawyer Dr. Dorothy Schramm, who says the best chance of success is in the initial ruling deemed incompatible with public policy. Schramm maintains that the new regulations violate the most fundamental of Swiss public policy and that in the race for justice, human rights must win over sporting interests. According to Professor of Law at the University of Pretoria, Steve Cornelius, Semenya has a slight chance of succeeding and will rely heavily on the human rights angle. Athletics South Africa and the South African government have continued to pledge their support for Semenya, with ASA set to file their own appeal in the Swiss Federal Court in the next few days. CS Du Plessis, CGTN, Pretoria.